Now question number 3, replace the box in each of the following by the correct number. Look at this question. First question, 2 by 7. So the answer is given in the numerator 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is a given question. 2 by 7 is a given question. This is a fraction. So 2 by 7 is a given fraction. So you have to find out the answer, and you have to find out the equivalent fraction. Already numerator is given, so you have to find only the denominator, that is the denominator. In the denominator place, what denominator you have to find out. In the denominator place, the given the empty box, you have to find out the denominator and write the answer in the empty box, okay, the given box. So 2 by 7. So I'll explain the sum here. So 2 by 7 into here. So the answer is, first one is, that is 8, okay, and the remaining, so you have to find out. So listen, 2 by 7. So 2 into 4, if you multiply 2 into 4, the answer is 8. So 8 is divided by 2. 8 is divided by 2, you can get 4, or else 2 into 4, you can get 8. So you can do the multiplication or division, both method. You can choose any one of the method and you can find out the answer. 2 into 4, you can get the answer 8. Already 8 is given, so no issues. Next you have to find the denominator, because numerator is given already. So you have to find out only the denominator. So in the denominator place, the box is given. So 4, you have to, so if the numerator is multiplied by 4, you have to multiply the denominator also the same number. So the denominator also multiply by 4. So 7 table, 7 into 4, so 4 ones are 4. Otherwise you can use 4th table or 7th table, which is your convenience. You can choose any one of the table. So I choose 7th table. So 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, or else 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28. So 7 fours are, what is the answer? 28, or 4 sevens are 28. So in the box, the denominator I find out. So the denominator you must write only in the empty box, otherwise given box. So the answer is 228. So 2, 8, 28. So the answer is exactly right. Okay. Even the answer, what is the denominator? 28. So 28 is divided by 4. What you can get? You can get 7. The question you can get. Okay. So this is a check method. This is what? Check. Okay. Next question, second question. The given fraction is 3 by 5. Okay. The given fraction is 3 by 5. So here the denominator, first 3 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. So 3 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. So in the numerator place, the given box is given, and the box is given. So denominator, what is the number? 5, and the equivalent fraction of 5 is what? 20. So what you're going to do? So again, I'm going to explain the second sum. 3 by 5. 3 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator. So this is the given box, okay, in the numerator place, and denominator answer is 20. So this is 3 by 5 equivalent fraction you have to find out. For 5, the denominator, the equivalent fraction is nothing but equivalent number is 20, not fraction, equivalent number is 20. So in the denominator place, what is the number? 20. So 20 is divided by 5, you can get what? 4. So you must use the 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 is a 20, or else. So 5 is going to multiply by 4. You can get 5 fours are 20. So you can choose any one of the method. I choose the multiplication method, is easy for me. So 5 fours are what? 20. 5 fours are 20. So if the denominator is multiplied by 4, the numerator is also multiplied by 4. So what is the answer for this? For the numerator? So you must use the 4th table or 3 table. So I am using the 4th table up to 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So you can get the what? Numerator. So if you find out the numerator, you have to write only in the box. So numerator is 12. Okay. So now the 3 by 5 is equal, 3 by 5 equivalent fraction for 3 by 5 is nothing but 12 by 20. So 12 in the box. So you have to write the answer in the particular place, that is nothing but 12. So I find out the numerator and also I have written the numerator in the particular box. So the answer is 3 by 5 equivalent fraction is 12 by 20 and 2 by 7 the equivalent fraction is 8 by 28. I think so you understand the question very clearly, and replace in each of the following by the correct number. So this is the correct number. What is the correct number? 2 by 7. In the 7 denominator place you have to find the denominator. So for 7 the equivalent number is 28. 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 the equivalent fraction is 12 by 20. So in 3 is a numerator, in 3 is a numerator. The equivalent number for 3 is nothing but 12 is a numerator. So 2 by 7 means 8 by 28 is equivalent fraction. 3 by 5 means equivalent fraction is 12 by 20. So numerator, in second sum numerator we find out, in the first sum we find out the denominator. This is numerator and this is the denominator. I think so you understand the concept well.